how you can remove unwanted objects from photos in InShot. Now before I teach you guys how to do that, if you are new to our channel, just head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's begin. First, make sure that you've installed InShot and just open it up. Now after you open it up, you will just need to choose a photo. Just tap on photos and choose one photo. Now after you do that, let's say I want to remove this bottom blue colored emoji right here. So what I'll have to do is search for the remove option. Now tap on remove and choose the basic one. And what you'll have to do is brush over it like this. And after you brush over it, make sure that you cover each and every part of it. And after you do that, just leave it and let it process. And there you go, it's been removed. It's that simple. Now let's try it for the pink one over there too. So if you do like this, do it like this and wait for a bit, it will get removed. Now you can save this picture, and yeah, that is pretty much it. Now after doing this, just save it and you'll have to watch an ad too. So yeah, that is basically it. That is how you remove unwanted objects from photos in InShot. Thank you for watching guys. That is all for the video. Bye bye, take care.